That's my human vibe. That's kind of vibing stronger. Okay, let's do the other one. Same human vibe. That's a slightly different breath work. That doesn't vibe with the same clarity all the way back to me with the human vibe. So I feel like the right side is the human. Okay, right and left. The breath work is, again, it's a vibrational match. Again, all of these things are energy, vibrations, light, and frequencies. So within this, to have that target breath of energy of either the person or the rainbow gives you a solid vibe what you're breathing out. And when you're breathing in, do the best you can to see if that breath work out, as you breathe it in, vibes with the similar or same energy pattern of what you brought out. Notice as I was reading that, human, that's good, and it comes back human. The other one, wait a minute, it's a little bit different. And my energy stopped pretty much right there. So I know if it came back to me, a lot of times it will be the one breath work that I breathed out and breathed in. So again, it's the breath work, but we want to give you the dynamics. For me, that's exactly, in this case, how I would read that. I want the consistent same breath to come back in that I just breathed out. And again, as I breathe out, I already have my energy read of what I know the human to feel like. And not only that, it breathes in and vibes with that. This one stops, and I knew that that was not it, more than likely, because it didn't continue back to me. So, you know what? Let's have, no, you just did it. Sight. Okay, so in this one, we're going to be doing remote viewing. And what we're going to do is, again, select a category. Which one would you like to choose?
Let's do shapes.
Okay, so we can see the shapes, all the different designs, so that you're not the same. Now, pick a couple of the shapes. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, which one do you want to see? Okay, so you've got the triangle and the circle. Okay, perfect. You know how it vibes, right? So, let's see the envelopes, please. Now, put one in one, the other in the other, because it doesn't really matter which one it is, because she's not going to be able to see what's next to the item. Here's what we have is the circle and the triangle. Now she knows exactly what these are. What we're going to do, and we're going to view this so that you're right there with us, so you know there's nothing else that can be seen by Maggie. She has the choice, circle or triangle. Now, what we're going to do is walk around, and we're going to put, just so we have this, we're going to put this candle across the room over there so that she can't see anything. And for this remote viewing, okay, she's going to focus on the candle and see if the circle touches your mind or the triangle touches your mind in connection with this red candle.
Okay.
Okay, so now you know the tools and the modalities. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, so she sees this, but as you can see, we're getting out of view. Okay. Okay, Maggie?
Yeah.
We have just put the candle down in the other room, and one of the choices that's in an envelope. Your job is target the candle, even though it's way across the room, and see which shape connects to your mind. And let's see if you get it. Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Circle or triangle, whichever one.
Okay.
What vibe do you get?
I get the circle.
Circle it is, you're correct. Why did you choose that?
Because that's what I got.
Interesting. So your focus was on the red candle, but what just dropped into your mind you trusted.
Correct.
Perfect. Again,
I also wrote it down over here.
perfect. So that way it's even more solid. Not just go, yeah, it's a circle. And no, it's yeah, it was a circle. No, it's that kind of a connection and solid validation that she wrote it down as well. So we've got not only remotely you coming here with us to do this and to see it's in a completely other room, not even in sight in any way at all. And yet in connection with our target, in this case, which was the candle, we didn't give her a choice on to choose which shape. We just wanted her to pick up which shape she got by remote viewing that candle. That's beautiful. So again, another tool of modality. So when I read for people psychically, I don't have to have them in front of me. I have clients around the world, so if we're talking on the phone, I can't see them, nothing. Yet I can vibe and I pick up all that information psychically that they're like, that's exactly right. So it moves because I'm not just only reading it, I'm remote viewing depending on what it is. So I take a variety of different tools, ways to read it, and I can blend them. But again, she got it.
Mm-hmm.